रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. This is question number 9, Federal Board Mathematics, exercise 4.1, chapter number 4. And the question is, find a polynomial whose factorization is x plus y minus 2c, x plus 2c plus y by using an appropriate formula. So we just find the polynomial by using an appropriate formula. In this question, we will just rearrange the second value and then apply the formula. So the question is x plus y plus minus 2c is the first expression, and the second expression is x. We will just rearrange x plus y plus 2c. We will write x plus y plus 2c. Now you see that this is x plus y here, x plus y here, this is the same, and this is 2c and 2c is here, and we have the negative sign in the first one, negative sign in the first expression, and positive sign with the second expression. So in this case we will apply the formula of a plus b and a minus b, and you know the formula that a plus b, when we have a plus b or a minus b, either plus is first or negative is second, this must be equal to a square minus b square. We take the square of the first value and then the negative sign, and we take the square of the second value. So in this case, a plus b, this is a, x plus y is a, and 2c is b, and this is a and this is b. So it may be a minus b into a plus b. A minus b is first and a plus b is second. Then this is always equal to a square minus b square. Now we apply the formula. Instead of a we have x plus y, and instead of b we have 2c. So we take the square of x plus y whole square minus 2c whole square. Now we apply the formula of a plus b whole square, x plus y whole square. This will be equal to x square plus y square plus 2c, 2xy, and minus we have, this is 2 square is 4 and c square. So this is the expression x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4c square. This is the expression. This is the polynomial whose factorization is given in the question. So this is the final answer. And thank you very much. If you like, follow my channel, subscribe it, and inshallah we will meet in the next question, question number 10. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.